In this video, you will learn how to make students aware of your TUWEL course in TISS. We will show how you can connect the two systems, TISS and TUWEL. After logging into TISS, open the e-learning tab in your course. You will find your courses under Course Administration. Now, to create a TUWEL course, click on Create Course. To begin, enter the start date for your TUWEL course. The course will be automatically switched visible when this course start date is reached. Decide now which lecturers, with which roles, should be enrolled in the TUWEL course. The option, No Selection, will cause the person to have no authorization. Also note that this role assignment can no longer be changed. However, manual role assignments in TUWEL are still possible. In order to start the course creation, click on Create Course. The course was created successfully and a connection was created. A note: two course parameters are relevant for the link between TISS and TUWEL: course ID and course short name. To break any linkage, these settings must be deleted in TUWEL. We will show you this later on in this video. Now, open your new TUWEL course. You will now be automatically logged into TUWEL and the course will open. Open the options with the gear symbol. Click on Edit Settings. You can change the course data here at any time. For example, the visibility of your course. You can also modify the previously mentioned two parameters for the link with TISS. Now, return to the start page of your TUWEL course. The course is empty at the beginning. You can now start create content in the course. If you want to import the course data from the last semester, you will get step-by-step instructions in this video. You can get more information about adding students from TISS in this tutorial. Now return to TISS. Open now the student view in TISS. Here you can see that the link to the TUWEL course is visible for students. Currently, the course is in preparation. The course will automatically become visible when this course start date is reached. A link to the TUWEL course will then appear here.